We've been improving the Prusa CORE One since launch, and now those upgrades are ready for you. The Plus version brings 3 major quality of life improvements. First, the automatic top vent operation always creates the perfect environment for your prints. Second, easy loading of flexible filaments. A redesigned filament sensor with a manual switch makes loading flexible materials quick and simple. Third, an extendable spool holder that accepts 2 kilogram spools, and it's also ready for the new dry box. You have 2 options. Option 1, you can buy our official upgrade kit. And option 2, download the parts from Printables for free and print them yourself. Ready to upgrade?